From broke to brave. Life shatters. Will you rebuild, or just survive? When trust disappears, who stands with you? When hope is gone, what's left to lose? Down to your last dollar, would you risk it all? Dreams fade, but some refuse to die. Families break, hearts fracture, can you heal? Strangers turn into lifelines. This is not a real estate book. This is a human story book. From Broke to Broker by Varunesh Nanda. Visit broketobrokerbook.com. Buy the book on Amazon. What's inside could change everything. Will you dare to open it?